Hey there. Subscribe to my channel. And also press this bell icon. So you never miss any new updates, cause whenever we upload new video you will get a notification.
Hello students, today we are there in last topic in this lesson, that is nutrition in plants. So what is today's our topic? Our topic is other modes of nutrition in plants. In last class we discussed about plants are prepare their own food, so therefore plants are called autotrophs. So here some plants, means few plants are, they are not prepare their own food, they are depending on other, means they follow the heterotrophic mode of nutrition. Heterotroph means what? They depend on others. So like this, few plants are there, these are follow the heterotrophic mode of nutrition. I will take one example. Yellow wiry branched structure twining around the stem and branches of a tree. One tree is there, means one plant is there which is like a yellow wiry branched like a structure is it have, it will twinning the any one tree and they will get the nutrition from that tree. That plant is called cuscuta. That plant is called cuscuta, or it is called in Hindi amar bel. What it is called in Hindi? Amar bel it is called. So it having a no chlorophyll, it does not have chlorophyll. It takes ready-made food from the plants on which is climbing. The plant on which climbs means it will climb the tree. This is called cuscuta, and this tree will gives the nutrition to this cuscuta plant. So the tree which is provide the nutrition to this cuscuta, this tree is called host tree. What it is called? Host tree. And this plant is called cuscuta or amar bel. Means it will, this amar bel will have not a chlorophyll, it totally depends on other trees or other plants. This tree which is provide the nutrients to cuscuta, this tree is called host tree. Okay, next one more plant is there, pitcher plant. One more plant is there, pitcher plant. See here, the pitcher like means, pitcher means what? So jug like structure. See here, it is a jug like, it is looking like a jug, no? This part is looking like jug, no? So the one plant is there that is having a pitcher like structure, or it is jug like structure, and the apex of the leaf means the leaf will modified like this. I am taking here only this part. Okay, so total the plant is looking like this. In your textbook in page number 5 you can see this pitcher plant. Okay, so this plant is the pitcher like a or jug like a structure it has having, and the leaf is modified. Okay, the leaf is modified, part of leaf, the apex. What is the meaning of apex? Means edge. Apex of the leaf forms a lid. Lid means cap. Lid which can open and which can close of the mouth of this pitcher. It will moving. Sometimes it close and sometimes it open. Means here inside this pitcher plant, inside this pitcher, so when the insect will get inside this, here inside this some hairs are present here inside. So when the insect will get inside, they will trapped, they will catch the insect, and when enter into the insect, the lid will close, and here insect will die. The died insect will be convert as a nutrients. Okay, and here in this picture some digestive juices is secreted here. Digestive juice secreted here. With the help of that digestive juice, the insect will digest and absorb the nutrients from this insect to this plant. So this type of plant, okay, this types of plants are called insectivorous plants. What it is called? Insectivorous plants. These are called insectivorous plants. Okay, I will repeat once again. So one plant is there, that is called pitcher plant. It is, these plants leaves are modified into pitcher like or a jug like a structure, which is having a cap, which is having a lid. So inside this pitcher some hairs are there. When insect is enter here, the hairs are trapped the insect, and insect is digested through the juice which is secreted here. Okay, next one more is there. Now sapro, these are called, I will repeat once again. So this Cuscuta amarbale, I already told that this Cuscuta or amarbale is called parasite. It is called, totally it is parasite. Parasite means these are depend on other plants. Okay, this Cuscuta is called parasite. Now discuss about saprotroph. Saprotrophs in next class. Okay, bye.